Good morning, good afternoon. Yes, this is Sotam Siri, the technician. So I'm gonna show you the step to change the water barrel, all right? The big water barrel, just with your hands. So step one, follow me. You disconnect everything. So it's disconnected, good. Step two, you pull out the water barrel, the new one. Pull it out, okay, so it's out. Step three, you open the water barrel. You take the old one. So you take the old one, like you see there, and you put on the new one, the open, fresh new one. And you make sure to close it. Good. Just with your hand. And you put it in. That's it. You close everything. And you just plug in all the wire. So now you're good to go. See? I didn't use any kind of tool, just my bare hand. Thank you so much. So you're gonna taste the water, cold water. Fresh 2H2O. Thanks. Ciao.
Like boy, like more like boy, like more like boy, like more.
Even though I know you may hate me, I can't go. I'm scared to go away. I need you home. Life's so cruel, we gotta see this through. No pure love left, just hearts that break into karma's levy. Weighs me down tonight, just like I'm drowning. Can't get it right. I see love of mine's never shining through. No one's gonna love you like I do. I watch and play, wishing I could feel that thrill. Oh my dear.